Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrainingsystem.com. I'm making this small video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. I will take you back around in the last month, not well before last month, June. So this is a chart I made June 12th, and we were going to go down. We're supposed to be going to go down to 38% of this rise to finish up wave four, wave C, and of wave four. Right? So what happened to this chart? We start to drop and drop and drop. And exactly we came down 38% and finish up wave four here. Then I made this chart that we now from here, we're gonna go to the upside. Usually wave five comes a little bit above a wave three, right? So it says, okay, over there, we're gonna go there. So I made a smaller time frame like this one here. That was a weekly chart, right? So on a daily chart, you can see that I open up a little bit here. I want to see more clear wave four, all of that, right? So here, so we have three, A, B, C, we have four. I didn't mark highs or lows. I have other charts marked on that. But I kept this one clean so that, people can understand that, what is about to happen. So we have five, I'm pointing there, but obviously we don't go in a straight line. So what happened to this chart? This thing went up and hit the TL of this channel. See that? Nice and clean. It hit the TL. So I said, okay, and this is 29 July. So I made another chart then that says, well, this could be it, and we might drop first before going to the upside. So I made this chart here. This is, again, same chart, wave three, wave four, and then going to the upside. I said, this could be wave one, and then we might be able to go down for wave two, then followed by wave three to the upside. This is also on July. But what happened? It started to come down here, and now I'm thinking differently. This could be, I mean, the drop is very slow, right? So it's not like wave eight or wave two. So I said, okay, what's happening here? So I start to look at the 4-hour chart. And this is a chart of the daily chart I made that we might be able to go up from here to this high to finish up wave one and then drop for wave two. This is not wave one. Why? Because let me open, let me show you. Yeah, it's the next. Okay, so this is my 4-hour chart, I admit, right? So I counted this. Wave four is ended here. So now wave one, two, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Then I see this one. Now we have two possibilities, right? If it is wave two, this is wave one, and then ABC wave two, a small wave two, followed by wave three. So we need to go to the upside. Or what I'm thinking now is that this could be wave 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, flat, not flat, expanded flat correction, but it's not even expanded flat because for that we need C below this, right? So it's kind of like mixed kind of a flat correction for wave B. If it would be below 3, that would be a perfect flat correction, right? But this wave went above this, so now it's a different thing, right? Which is basically not a proper setup for flat. So A, B, C, but it's some kind of, right? So what I'm thinking is that if this hold 63,861, right? If we hold and we are powerfully making a bullish candle here, right? Nice big bullish candle, right? It's this low, this number 63,861. So if we can start going towards to the upside, then we might be able to go here, finish up wave five off wave one. Right. So this will end up as wave four flat correction A, B, C. Right. It's not an official, like it's not a regular flat. It's not expanded flat. It's not running flat. But it is a flat. Right? So it's like a mix, the what I made like Gertley and Bat. Then I made a Bertley pattern if it is mixed calculations or something like that. So either way, if it is wave two, we need to go for wave three to the upside. If it is wave C and four ending up like that, so we need to go to the upside for wave five. So bottom line, as long as we stay above 63,861. If we are not going down for this wave two, to the down, not this wave two, right? If we're stopping here and then going to the upside, then look for long, and we will take it from there, right? By the way, coming down yesterday on July 31st, this was my short trade here. Beautiful entry, nice and clean, and all the way down here. I was a little late closing, but when I saw this is how it is. So from 65,208 to 64,385. So that is the trade that I have. Now I'm expecting to go to the upside if we stay above what? 63,861. Okay, so this is my stance right now, and we will trade accordingly. Pay attention, very close attention to this level here. All right, and just before that, if we go above 63,861, then next level we're gonna be going to 64,550, then 65,500. Right, step by step. Then comes whatever comes, right? 67,232, and I have to mark a few more. I did mark all of that, but they disappeared. I don't know why. How? So I'm gonna have to mark them again. But you got a clear picture now that key number is this 63,861, and if you can stay above, we will go to the upside. Next target is 71. Well, 997 means 72. Right, so it's a long distance. Well, the next target basically is going to be this high or this high, but after that, eventually, I think wave one will finish here somewhere, and then maybe we will come down for wave two. Okay, so let's see. Key number is this. Watch this. All right. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later soon. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Okay. Okay.